Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Microsoft Dynamics 365 security roles, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing with Microsoft Dynamics 365 security roles, log into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on the Advanced Settings option from the drop-down menu. In the new window that appears, locate the Settings section in the navigation bar. Within the Settings section, click on Security to access security-related options. Now, select Users from the Security menu to view a list of users associated with your organization. Find the user account you want to authorize and click on it to open the user details. In the User Details window, look for the Manage Roles button and click on it. A new window will pop up, displaying available security roles. Review the list of roles and check the boxes next to the ones you want to assign to the user. Once you have selected the desired roles, click the OK button to save your changes. You will be taken back to the User Details window, where the new roles should now be visible. Finally, click on the Save button at the top of the window to finalize the authorization process. Your user is now authorized with the selected security roles in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the authorization process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.